Hello everybody, Lord Almighty here. Today is Thursday, September 4th, 2025, and I am here at one of my favorite Pennsylvania creeks, and I am going to be throwing some finesse baits for whatever happens to be biting. This creek is extremely low today. In fact, it might be the lowest I've ever seen it, but that might actually work out to my advantage because that means that there is less good water to fish, and I should probably fish kind of fast because we got some weather coming in later this afternoon. In fact, if you look off in the distance there, you can see some clouds that are starting to get a little bit ornery looking. So I will probably be fishing on high speed, only in the best looking pools. Here we go, fish on. That's a trout. That's a brown trout, which is going to be interesting because I don't have a net with me. All right, buddy, come on in here. Oh, perfect. He came right off. Didn't want to handle him much anyway, so he did me a favor on that one. I was not expecting a trout. I mean, I know they're in here, but with this water being so low and clear, I thought that they'd be hiding out somewhere and not real active. But first catch of the day. Fish on. I can see that. That's a rock bass. All right. There's plenty of these things in here. And it's no surprise that they're biting. Fat one. Fish on. Looks like another rock bass. Yep. All right. Well, honestly, given how low and clear this place is, I'm happy for any kind of action. So if I get mostly rock bass today, I'll be happy. I'd be even happier with some other stuff like smallmouths, but rock bass are fine. Fish on. Another rock bass from the exact same spot as that last one. Alrighty. Well, you get what you ask for. Fish on. That's another trout. That's a rainbow, I think. Yep. Again, no net, so let's hope for the best here. You gonna pop off, buddy? Nope, no such luck. Okay. All right, he's off the hook, and there he goes. Sorry about the rough handling, but I did what I could. Oh, here comes the rain. Honestly, with how low this creek is, we definitely need the rain. This creek is probably about 2 feet lower than normal. So Any bit of rain can only help things in the long run. Might cut short the day's fishing, but it is what it is. There we go. Well, he hammered it. What do we got? Smallie. No wonder he hammered it. Oops. All right. Well, he's back. Back where he belongs. Fish on. It's fighting hard. It's another trout. It's a pretty nice one too. Another brown. Oh, I hooked him under the fin. No wonder he was fighting hard. All right. Wow, look at that. That's a gorgeous trout. Gorgeous brownie. All right. Oh, it's starting to get real heavy now. Fish on. Smallmouth. There we go. All right. Decent little creek smallmouth. Looks like the rain hasn't shut down the bite yet. Fish on. That's another trout. It's another rainbow. There's that rainbow trout leap. All right, buddy. Let's get you unhooked. Easy. Rainbow trout have no chill. I want to get you unhooked, but you're not gonna let me, are you? Okay. Got him right in the bottom lip. He's fine. Beautiful, athletic rainbow trout. Good to see these things are still in here in September. Months away from any stocking that I'm aware of. Well, go figure. As soon as I get here to this bridge where I can get out of the rain has all but stopped and the skies are starting to clear. Oh well. This is gonna be my last stop anyway. So let's see if I can get a couple more bites to close out the day. Fish on. Boy, he took off with it. What do we got? Rock bass. Dark colored fish. Well, I am good and thoroughly soaked, and I have reached the end of this stretch, so it is time to call it a day. Fun day of creek fishing today. Despite the fact that the water was incredibly low, I still managed to find a bunch of fish, As I suspected, they were pretty much concentrated in the deepest pools and pocket water. I was actually surprised at the number of trout I caught today, but definitely a happy surprise. And I am just very happy overall with the day of fishing. I just could have done without all that rain, that's all. Thank you all so much for joining me, and I will see you on the next adventure.